Hey guys, this is Tim. These are the small bins made by Gladiator, made to fit the Gladiator gear track that you can hold nuts and bolts and various small objects in these bins. These bins can also be used on your workbench or in a storage shelf. They can be stacked together like you can see here and just simply placed on your workbench or inside your storage cabinet. These are made of heavy-duty plastic and can hold up to 10 pounds each. So let me show you how to place it on the GearTrack system. Okay, to place this on the Gladiator GearTrack system, you just have this hook here on the back of the bin itself. Just goes into that slot there and just locks into place. And you can place these anywhere that you like on the GearTracks. Then you can place small items into the bin, nuts and bolts, just whatever is convenient. So this comes in a pack of 3, and I highly recommend these Gladiator bins for organized storage.